What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video.
Now, right here is my 2018 BMW 330i.
Gets a lot of hate for not being a 340.
Which is crazy to me because these are actually such good cars.
I get asked all the time whether it's even worth building those cars or if you can even push power with them. And today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna answer that question. Before we get into that, we of course have another new mod. Technically two, so that's exciting. Now, first things first, we're gonna reinstall this carbon fiber roof wing for the F30. Then from CTS Turbo, we have a brand new cold air intake for the F30 as well. I'm super excited to throw this on. Hopefully it's gonna make the turbo sound a little bit cooler. I don't think we're gonna gain too much power, but regardless, I'm really excited for it because coming up in the next, few weeks to a few months, we're slowly gonna be building that car, trying to make more power, and we're gonna prove that they're actually worth buying. It may not end up as fast as my 335 or my Mustang, but it's still gonna make, hopefully, I'm aiming for at least like 400s, but we're gonna go ahead and let her warm up for now, and then we're gonna pull her into the driveway here and set this thing up so we can work on it. While we're waiting, we're gonna go ahead and run to the detailing van, get the heat gun out, and hopefully it sticks on this time. It's already fallen off twice, so this is gonna be my last try, I think. All right, we're gonna let the tape set up, so let's go ahead and pull the car into the driveway. And this thing honestly just looks so sick. The F30 and F80 is honestly one of my favorite generations of BMW. They just look so freaking good, dude. It just looks so freaking sick, dude, from every angle. All the carbon fiber. The rear end looks crazy. However, little hint, we are going to be upgrading the taillights again. The ones we have, honestly, just are not the ones. Like, they're cool, but they're not my favorite. Now, as far as I know, this should be pretty straightforward, but obviously we just drove this car, so we got to let it cool down for a bit. So let's go ahead and do the roof wing first. Well, we got her on there, and honestly, it just looks so good. I really, really love this mod. Now, hopefully it stays on there this time, but go ahead and jump straight into this new mod for the cold air intake. I honestly don't even know what tools I need yet because I don't really know how to do this, but we're going to figure it out. All right, so we've got the old airbox out. Now we just need to swap the MAF sensor over, and then we should be good to go. All right, so we've got our heat shielding on. Honestly, there's not much more left to go. Let's just go ahead and get it done. Man, check out the size of this freaking filter, dude. I really hope this sounds as cool as I think it will. Let's get it on. All right, boys, she is on there, and honestly, this looks freaking sick, dude. I really hope this changes the sound. And honestly, it was a super straightforward install. I did not watch a YouTube video. I literally just figured it out on my own. Probably took me, I don't know, 20 minutes. I'm gonna do a quick little bit of cleanup here, and then let's see how this thing sounds. All right, we're cleaned up for the most part. Let's go ahead and start this thing up, see if there are any air leaks, and then we're gonna see how it sounds. I'm super freaking stoked on how this thing turned out, boys. Next is going to be the charge pipe here, again from CTS. Not in today's video, probably going to be 2 videos from now, but either way, if you want to get one for yourself, again, it was from CTS Turbo, and I believe this was like $400 with shipping. So it's not too expensive at all, but without further ado, let's go ahead and take this thing for a rip and see if we notice any difference. Probably not, but we're hopeful. Now, like I said, I highly doubt we're going to notice anything. Maybe once we get the charge pipe and the down pipe and the tune, we're going to start noticing some differences, but little steps at a time. All right, let's go take this thing for a freaking rip here, boys. We have her in sport mode, of course. The damn seatbelt, boys. I hate the BMW chime. I can almost guarantee you it's placebo, but this thing does feel faster. Oh, this intake sounds insane, dog. This is crazy. I don't even know if you guys can actually hear it in with me driving, but this sounds wild, bro. All right, let me get another pull. Oh my goodness.
Damn.
Oh, this is nuts. Holy. I don't know, boys. Feeling faster might be placebo, but this thing legit sounds wicked. That is crazy. We 100% need an exhaust. I already ordered the charge pipe and the down pipe, so exhaust is going to be next with a tune. So boys, to answer the question we sparked earlier, I think it is 110% worth it to build these cars. Now, obviously, you do lose some stuff, you know, not having a 340. Obviously, the 340 sounds better. It probably is going to be faster no matter what. But I mean, still, like, if you don't want to spend the extra money, there is no reason to. You can have so much fun with just the base model car, like, regardless. I mean, yeah, it's just a 4-cylinder compared to a 6, but again, it still has 2 turbos. So there is tons and tons of room to push more power, add more boost. Like, I mean, truly, it is a great freaking car. I'm super happy with it. I can't wait for the next mods. Like I said, the charge pipe, the down pipe, the tune, intercooler. I don't know what else we're going to do from there. And the same with my E92 335. I mean, the build is almost done on this thing. There is a few more cosmetics, but for the most part, performance-wise, the last thing to do is big turbo it. And that is going to be a plan for hopefully this next coming summer. So if you really like the 335 videos, comment down below, let me know you want to see it, and get stoked, because we will do it. And the same goes for, you know, any other generation of BMW, or any car for that matter. I am a big believer, like I've said in many videos, that no matter what car you have, you can make it fun and you can enjoy it for as long as you want. Doesn't matter what it looks like, doesn't matter what's under the hood, you know, like, no matter what, you can enjoy any single car. Now, if you made it this far into the video, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a sneak peek. Let me go ahead and show you these new taillights for the F30, because they are so freaking sick. We have these new smoked GTS style taillights with the dragon scale sequential. Now, I'm gonna leave the wrapping on because I want to reveal it in the actual video, but dude, these are gonna make the car look so freaking good. It's crazy. I am legit just so excited to throw these on. It's insane. Like, they're gonna look so good, especially compared to the ones that we have on it now. I like them, but they're not my favorite, and they don't really fit that great, to be honest. But I think they were only like 400 bucks or maybe 300. I can't remember. So pretty cheap, but I mean, it is what it is. You get what you pay for, but they still do look cool. For 300 bucks, like, I would get them again. But I think these ones are just a little bit nicer, and I think they're really gonna tie in a lot better with the whole all black theme of the car. Like, those Euro style ones look cool, but they kind of just look out of place with the rest of the car just being like tinted out, murdered out, you know what I'm saying? So these ones with the black housing is going to make it look so much better. But with that being said, I think we're coming to the end of today's video. If you stayed till the end, comment W down below in the comment section. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about, you know, base model BMWs, building them, if it's a good idea, bad idea, whatever you think. I'm happy to read your guys' comments, read your ideas, whatever. And yeah, hopefully everyone enjoyed the video. Again, appreciate everybody. Obviously, we're still a really small channel, but eventually within, you know, hopefully a year or so, maybe more. I don't know how long it's going to take. Maybe one day we're going to be bigger. And yeah, I'll always remember the people that are here right now. Like I say in a couple other videos, a couple people who always are commenting, you know, saying that they're here. It's sick. It's super cool to see. So yeah, I mean, those people know who they are. If you're here again, comment something down below. I always respond to you guys. Yeah, it's like I said, I appreciate everybody. It's super cool, just the fact that there's people who actually want to, you know, take time out of their day and come back to my videos every single week. Because again, if you're new here, we post every Saturday for full-length videos, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for YouTube Shorts. So yeah, we're on the grind. But yeah, again, I'm kind of rambling here, but I really do appreciate everybody. And one day when we actually start making money off this and get a little bigger, I am going to do something special for a couple of the people who have been here since the very beginning. So stay excited for that. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.